show us your mug collection? Hey, Janelle. Yeah, let me see. Well, here's what I'm drinking from right now. It's a smiley face, as you can see. There it is. And as we mosey our way into the cabinets, we will find various mugs. I think this one might be my favorite. We've got a mug up here, the Big Dipper. It's a mischievous guy. Pretty fun stuff. Carly has asked if I can make any genre of music other than my own.
What is my most treasured memory? That is a question that is hard to answer. I would say being born was awesome. It was a pleasure being born. Okay, here. What are my thoughts on charcoal toothpaste? I honestly have to say it's my favorite thing right now. Janelle, I'm gonna admit I've never had a thought about charcoal toothpaste because I've never heard of that. But if that's your favorite thing right now, keep doing you. That sounds exciting. But I think I'm just a Colgate guy. Yeah.